going to share with you, right? Isuzu D-Max 1.9 4x2 manual. Yeah. At the back, this is 4x2 manual. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Okay, now bonjour. Okay, I'm Nicole. Okay, as just mentioned just now, right? This at the back here, the white color. This is 4x2 manual. Okay, we call it high ride. High ride, there's two types 4x2 for manual. One is low ride, one is high ride. So this one is high ride, so it will be higher. Yeah. So let's start. Okay, this is high ride 4x2 manual. We call it high ride because it's higher. It's not lower. Okay, and as you can see, 16-inch. This is the tire. Okay. And at the back, here, there will be 5 leaf spring. 5 leaf spring. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaf spring to here at the back. There will be Isuzu D-Max. They don't have 4x4. They have Isuzu D-Max. This is 4x2. So at the back, this is what you can see at the back. Oops. You can see the bumper will be, this one will be black. Yeah, and then don't have reverse camera. Originally come without reverse camera, and when you open, you don't have the tailgate. So it's like this. Isuzu back compartment, right? No safe back compartment for this cover at the back, right? You can take load about 800 kg because there's a 5 leaf spring at the back. Yeah. Okay. We are going in. Is inside compartment. The door there. You can see the function. Okay. Window on. I mean, unlock and lock and unlock. Auto down. So this is inside the compartment. The button. Here is security collar. Here. Then this one you can put cards or any other things that you want. Here. And this is key start. Okay. So as you can see here, this is 6 speed. Yeah. This is the aircon. It's very basic and very simple. See, 2D audio. On top is open compartment, so you can put the things. And because 4x2, so they don't have the switch. I don't know whether you all notice or not, but Isuzu they have this. Yeah, easier for you to go in 6 speed. Just now. Okay. So another thing, right, is in case that you forgot, right? How much you're gonna pump? I mean, for your tires pressure is here. You can see. So passenger side, right? As normal, they will have compartment here. Compartment here. In here, same. You can put your some bottle, water, or you don't want also can. Fabric you have. Yeah, we are at the driver's side, behind of the driver's side. This is actually can put some of the thing which is not very thick. And then here got 2 baby seats. See, 1, 2. The wheels. And then for the tools, right, there is a thing here. You just put it up, all the way up. And the compartment over there, right, also have the things. You can put the things and then have to make sure that the thing won't roll. If it roll, right, you know where to find? It's here. So here, we have jack. And then we will put the tools here. Yeah. Do you know how many speakers we have in the high ride? Okay, this is high ride. How does it look like in the inside? And then yeah, you can adjust. Yeah. So this is a very does it look like inside of the Isuzu 1.9 manual 4x2 high ride. Yeah, so anything else, I mean, I will update you all in the future.